Remember, these days you make a gold grinder, and now you're gonna make a magnet gold grinder. And I'm here with my friend. I'm gonna say okay. Say hi to the vid. Say hi to the vid. Okay, he said come. What's that? Huh? What's this? Hi. And this is my friend. Okay? Okay, all you need these materials. Make sure you need anchor block off. You need to make sure to be a little close to the water. Therefore, get a magnet. Line them up perfectly. Make sure they're lined up properly. You need to check if they're lined up. What? Huh? I don't understand. Oh, okay. Okay, I thought I got right now. Okay, boom. And next, we need a level. Yeah, he's also doing the same thing. All you need is materials. Bam. You can use any type of chair. Get a chair. Make sure your anchor block is off. They make a protection thingy if you want. Oh no, oh god. What is happening? Wow! Hello? Get out of here. You're gonna make my plan ruined. Okay, I'm having a not good issue. Please don't sit on it. Don't sit, please. Okay, there. Oh no, I forgot. I should put it like here. Right there. And don't delete the throne. You need to, oh, come on. Delete the chair thing. Bruh! Are you serious? Okay, I'm gonna redo it. I need a magnet. Give me a magnet, please. I need a magnet! There we go. And we get a chair. We get a chair. Get this. Delete. And if you want the protection, just use chairs. I'm too lazy, okay? Don't mind me, I'm just too lazy. After that, sit on it. Okay, he can sit here. Come on, sit. Okay. Don't need to launch. Get this. Then you. Oh, hold up. Can't. Breathe. Oh, you can sit on top of there. Hello, can you sit? Okay, never mind. So, you flick the lever. You can use any type of chair. Okay. Get this. You flick it. Then you launch it. My friend is trying to stay on it. Whoop. Yeah, you want to if you want to reset, you need to reset. And that's how you make a gold grinder, and you can have so much fun. And don't mind me because I'm coughing. Let's use the iron chair. Let's use the iron chair. Get this thing out of here, please. Okay, it's right there. You need to load it if you have to, but who needs these? Guys, I want to show you something. Who needs this? Do it. I'm gonna save. Then I'm gonna make it a gold grinder. Okay, can we load it? Yep. It's fast. You can load it. You want to load it. You need to destroy your regular build. You have to. Let you hear the hair. Don't mind it. Whoop. But there's a problem. There's a problem. You need to search blocks. Block. Put some blocks in. Ah, no! Oh God! Oh my goodness! What just happened? What just happened? Did you just launch by accident? Oh yeah, I forgot to show you something. I have a wheel boat. It's this. If you want to try it, look. It's gonna be crazy. Yeet! What? Hello? Mr. Lever. Why is it not working? Well, I want to do it itself. I'm gonna press it. It's very elite. Look. You can do a lot of stuff with this wheel boat. Oof. Okay. It's almost the end of my vid, but if you want to be in the vid, you need to join the server. And I'm so laggy because of that, whatever it's called. Look, it's not world record. What the heck? It should be gold grinder. Like, gold grinder. Okay, gold grinder. The load. It's all the way there. So you have to walk. You need to walk to it. It's very far. It's all the way there. Not on the water. I meant on the grass. Look, it's all the way over there. And yes, my friend messed it up. But I don't care. Hold on, let me search. Chair. I'm gonna search chair. I'm a search chair. Then it's... There we go, that's much better. Okay, we get a piece of a chair. Give me 1 sec. This takes forever. Okay, boom. Get that. Get that. Hold on. Okay, never mind. Don't need to mind this. Something I don't care. I just hear my TV's on, so don't mind the TV. Please, I beg you. To not buy my TV. You get a chair. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Okay, there we go. Okay, get any chair you like. But make sure it stands up. You don't need to really long back. Here we go. And boom. You make something. And whoop, whoop, be sure. Yeet! Somebody is in the server. If you don't want to die, hop on your boat. Hop on your stupid boat. No, I'm dead. Wow, only 4 gold. You need to grind more. The last chair. Okay, and I don't know what you call this. Somebody else is on the server. Patrol 056. It takes a while. I have a silly thing. You can make your protection out of chairs. Ow. Just line up many chairs as you like. You can line up many chairs. You can line it up to the water if you want. Yes, you can line up to the water. See? This is very nonchalant. This is super very nonchalant. Yep. That's all the chairs you need. You sit. Then. Ooh. Yeet. Bruh. I just want the squealing tool. And guys, let's clear. Hold on. How do I clear? Okay, hold on. Let me clear, and I got something to tell you. We're gonna go with TNT so we can get lunch to the end. So I want to get some TNT. Okay, I'm gonna get TNT here. This is from Jesse TC's video. I just saw it. I was like, wait, that's cool. And my friend is a little annoying because he's firing fireworks. Oh yeah, don't forget. And yes, don't forget to do that. Ah, whoa. Oh, god dang. Stop it! You're making me dizzy. Okay, dude, stop. You're making me dizzy. I'm gonna make a TNT bomb. TNT bomb. So we'll put that much TNT. We're just gonna. Excuse me, can you get out of the way? Please, get out of the way. Please get out. I'm trying to build the. Or it's from Zenek. I don't know. What is he doing? No. We need a throne. No, not that. I need a regular chair. Don't sit in the wrong chair, guys. What is he doing? What the frick? What? Okay, don't mind him. Okay, I'm gonna delete that so I can get an explosion. Okay, we launch. Everyone's gonna chill on the chair on here. I saw this video from Zenek and was like, oh, that's cool. Are you serious? Okay, that's the end of my vid. Bye. Hope you stay happy.